Hi, my name is Kim. I'm the CEO and founder of Vested Impact. Vested began a few years ago from my previous experience where I was hired by the United Nations to build for them a platform that could assess the impact of the $8 billion peacekeeping operations. It was through doing this work, understanding how we can change the way we define the value of an investment, that I realized the UN may have an $8 billion problem, but the capital markets has a $25 trillion problem or opportunity to change finance to finance change. I think we all know the world is changing right now. We're on the cusp of a generation and a society that cares more than it ever has. And what this has led to is an estimated $25 trillion that has been waiting and is indicated to be invested in impact. But the problem is, this money is waiting. It's not actually being allocated yet. And the key thing holding it back is the fact that financial advisors, wealth and asset managers cannot tell their clients what is the impact their money is going to have and how do they know it's so. So we created Vested to solve this problem. Vested is a platform that assesses the impact of a company's products and services on their contribution to solving the world's greatest problems. Now, when we say world's greatest problems, we mean the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, meaning we can assess everything from climate to gender to food security or health. And what this enables us to do is we're different from ESG that looks at how well a company is managed. We look at how well a company and their products and services are helping make the world a better place. So how does Vested work? Vested takes in a bunch of company data. What we really look at is we have 100 million impact data points. This is data from the UN, the World Bank, the OECD, that we are essentially bringing a whole new class of data to finance. We pull it into our proprietary algorithm, which is best practice on how to measure impact, backed by independent and objective data. Our system handles the complexity and outputs it into some simple metrics and some detailed reports that can be consumed through our API or our software as a service platform. Impact is a long-term game, so is investing. Vested is built to help financial institutions on every step of the way. At our basic sense, Vested helps answer those fundamental questions and communicate with simple metrics. What is the quality of the impact of an asset? What is it impacting? And using our proprietary lives value, we can tell a client and investor how many human lives are significantly impacted by that investment. Now, for investors that say, well, what does that mean? Or for financial and asset managers required to disclose on SFDR regulations, we have those detailed metrics and reports to underpin those base impact data points. And then, of course, for those that want to redefine new products based on impact, Vested can help with that as well. Our aim at Vested is ultimately to unlock that $25 trillion for asset and wealth managers, because by unlocking that $25 trillion, we can ensure that it goes to the companies that are genuinely making the world a better place. And that helps us achieve our vision, as well as helping our clients achieve theirs. The FinTech Innovation Lab has really helped us drive where we're wanting to go. For us at Vested, we want to be the key people that help people understand what is the impact that they're having. So the Innovation Lab has helped us articulate exactly what our value proposition is, but also an understanding of how we need to help our clients articulate that to their end users. Because money doesn't change the world, the people that spend it do. So it's really important to us that our metrics engage with everyday users. Our vision is to be the best at what we do, which means Vested and impact is inherently complex, but the lab has really helped us simplify both our product offering, but where it's able to benefit and add the most value to financial institutions at every step of the way. We say at Vested, we want to change the world. And to do that, we can't do it alone. And we do that by working with some of the biggest institutions. And the lab has helped us with not just introductions to these institutions, but a really good understanding of how they work and how we would be required to work with them in partnership so we can all drive this change. Our mission at Vested is to redefine millionaire to be a person who impacts millions of lives. We do that through helping communicate impact. And by doing that, we can change finance, which will finance change. Thank you.